All right, so I received my box from Jennie and Davis for the build competition that they're doing out of their scrap wood. So thank you both for sending these out. Let's open her up, see what we got. And so the idea of this is that they send you a big pile of scrap wood, and you have to build something cool with it, is the instruction that we got. So it looks like we got some cutting board offcuts here, and some sort of curve piece. They must have built that from a table. More cutting board offcuts here. Maple and cherry, probably, be my guess. Looks like one of their sunset or sunrise pieces. And then lots of these squares that look like walnuts. A couple slightly longer pieces. What else we got in here? Some thinner pieces. Just edge pieces that can probably be glued up into a cool pattern here. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah, that seems to be it. A whole collection of these end pieces that honestly I'm not... Problem with using these, I've tried to use these in the past, is they snap so easily. So these are fine. These are going to be tough to use. Oh, they sent me a sticker too. Very nice. We'll have to drop that onto the toolbox somewhere. I'll have to think about how to use this. My original plan was to make another one of the phone speaker amplifier boxes that I made. Here, I'll go grab that in a second. To make another one of these. I had a different idea for a design that I could do, but I don't know if this wood is realistically going to fit that. Oh, some of these are glued together. Well, definitely got some thinking to do. Yeah, some of these will definitely be usable. Some of these are too thin. But we'll figure something out. We got about 3 weeks to build something cool. So let's see what we can come up with it.